Make story part 1. Oh, Jamie's not here yet. What are we going to do? Jamie, don't leave the game, okay? Because we're doing a Mick story. Where's Jamie? I'm in this place. Oh, there's a breaking news. Breaking news. There is a scary thing called Mick. Stay inside, and it doesn't fit inside. Oh no, I need to go right now. I need to see Jamie. When is she coming back? I'm starting to starve because...
Jamie, what's my name? What's my name?
At the rain.
What's my name?
Well,
Kaya, what's my name?
At the rain. So, let me just eat the candy.
Breaking news. Look at that
Guys, let me watch the breaking news again.
Jamie, it's us.
Guys, did you saw a person named Jamie? Wait, this bacon said, guys, do you... Wait, can you say something?
Jamie.
Guys, do you hear a person called Jamie? Yes. Where is Jamie?
She's outside.
What are we going to do? I need to sit in my bed.
Breaking news. Jamie is the monster.
I need to sit. Imagine when it's turning nighttime. Okay. I need to find something that is a safe place to stay. Let me just see the computer.
Jamie is outside.
Oh, somebody help!
Somebody help me. Get out.
Somebody help me too. The guy is catching me.
I need help.
The monster's catching me. Where's the shelter?
Grace Light, alam nyo na. Let's go.
Let's go now.
Oh, let's go.
Dito, alam mo na. Wala na.
Somebody, oh. That isn't good. And what are we going to do right now? Jamie's not here. That's at home now. We need to go sleep. Okay, you want part 2?